This is what low-maintenance luxury looks like at the base of Pinnacle Peak. I'm Bruce Levin with the Budwick team at Realty One Group.
3 bedrooms, 2 baths, corner lot, inside the reserve at Pinnacle Peak. And from the moment you walk in, mountains everywhere. Every single window frames Pinnacle Peak like artwork. Morning coffee feels different when that's your view. Step outside and you're on the trails within minutes. Walk the other direction, you're at the Four Seasons Resort. Dinner, spa, cocktails, no cars required. Inside, it was designed to entertain. 14-foot white quartz waterfall island. GE Monogram appliances, Bosch dishwasher. Oversized glass sliders that disappear and open the entire living space to the outdoors. Now your living room flows straight to the patio. Gas fireplace, private corner lot, quiet evenings. There's even an EV charger already installed. This is lock and leave living done right. And yes, the seller is motivated. If you've been waiting for a Pinnacle Peak home that feels like a private resort, this is your move.
I'm Bruce Levin, and when you're ready for this level of living, I'll open the door.